former class of folk striker Joseph Esso currently the move to Kumasi Asante Kotoko a year 50-50 because on the same be to dwa or say apparently sa do be a open war a North Africa hono a hit snag there the only choice a Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Then another target for Krobia Asante Kotoko, a player, a friend, Ismael Addo of Heart of Lions. And also updates Ewaha, Yakanina Boma, they blog in this particular episode. We watch but subscribe button, the Somame, the Guadomano, so they build together. Information we are saying at top. Now, I was say, yeah, the real quick on this particular channel. Yes, I have a super 24 TV information we are saying. International Asante Kotoko reaction and joining. And then who say Nana one, maybe I will be a South Africa, and Master Kiki, South African base, about Cape Town, and about Johannesburg, and I also you try lie. I will come say, crude idea, crude idea, crude more thing by a team. Now, coupon any of war for. Now, we need a moment, the board chairman and the board of directors, you know, so hey, Manopaya, near Fremia, him, Edio. Now, say, join it as Asante Kotoko International Reaction on a joining, you know, a unified platform. The American will be our here with Nima over platform as well. We will come on the ways you go 0247 1072 60 0247 1072 60. That's the WhatsApp number. Now, obviously, blog. Now, we are the light for our platform. I didn't hear. And I'm saying we are the Ayana heat room. But, anyway, my mouth light for our path. For we are the Bacoca Crabby. So, light for our path for the 2nd of July 2024. Mami fa ba ko bi emfam ma na yenkoye ni. Yes. No matter how expensive a cup is, it has to go under the dispenser before it receives or before it gets filled. No matter how expensive a cup is, no the board they said there, I was say a cut dispenser, I say, and I say a cut tap, I say, and some you a. This can be related to our lives. And I remember the mistakes, no, me too big to do this, me too big. Share, you are not ready to develop in life. You are not ready to grow in life. But if you really want growth, you really want development, you have to adjust certain times, regardless of your status, regardless of your beauty, regardless of your educational qualification. You know the to baby, no one bend this sometimes to get what you are looking for. And I made it. I'm too pretty to do this. I'm in school. I'm hey, when you're serious. So no matter how expensive a cup is, it has to go under the dispenser before it receives or before it gets filled. That's the message for our life for our powerful today. Young Asante Kotoko. Ukuma pema pemeba is our motto. Young fan could tell you to that. Soldier go, soldier comes, barracks remain the same. And we have information saying set Kwedo from Bechino United a done deal. Set Kwedo a done deal or back Kumasi Asante Kotoko from Bechino. When we medicals, no, and rich in your report to any say a medicals and what we medicals. Now, another place, our eyes are on them. Joseph Esso, a class of former player, former Dreams FC, and former AMC OGS. February 2008 no free 2018 no free drafts call House of Folk. And in 2020 free House of Folk called Dreams FC. And in 2021 free Dreams FC called MC OGS. And in 2023 no free MC OGS no and both in 2024 Karim Zito our Dreams FC and our friend say if you any Brian Di Kasubo and our boy out that's all. Na at the end of the season, player they say North African clubs to be tata sikane ye kakra. Sa deal no am materialize their krum ha de. So obebo Ghana Premier League na Asante Kotoko and obebo. That's player your friend Esso. A quite be so wa my respect by quite be so me the mean say who is respect. I didn't own dog get North Africa for now on the Kotoko Mayor Juma Street. The 0% says a North Africa deal no fail there or Besayama Kotoko. That's indirectly the upper archery. So North Africa deals no fail there or Kotoko. That's update on to save Esso. But agent for no tembiano because we are money and Namasi. Makofa offer be the other to the name. In Tisano Becca. My man call player your friend Ismael Addo. Who call the transfer market? Ne value is $70,000 and that's $75,000. On also Asante Kotoko I approach. Joseph Esso no a striker, but player me body din Ismael Addo no or attacking midfielder. Na in recent years no. Ne boy wabo nyina no wabo ma heart of lion for because a young player 18 years old na no ya na ye wo no Ghana call World Cup first time 2006 and ye wo Ismael Addo no 2006 senior man na meti TV achi hwe boss that time na ya wo player make no ho asem hey na very e wo afọ ebe fa na very e wo afọ eti ono de no Randiabi, I say Kotoko 300,000 Ghana cedis. The same Sika, I phone in Kotuno. Player and I by no report. Adabo, Hilary, Samates, almost said 300,000. Almost 300,000 or one TV. It's another senior man, Kotoko, Pusua Kone Chica Crano. Eti me say na na pin kra ko Canada okoye ne back graduation oba sa figures ni nyina no ye ma yeska bi ye be kwa kotiti bi afrim say e be boy de a ye be tutu bi we 100,000 150,000 na ya fa Hilary de ye betima ka 100,000 150,000 na Ismael Addo no so ya ka anya 150,000 ya na say 180,000 that thing do cry for 180,000. But by na so this is the update I will away but soon more no I Nazil Hamza with me after the blog man we may do my Medusia a child me call long time.